How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. Now, for you to be able to access Roblox by using the browser from your school Chromebook, what you want to do is to visit a specific website that is actually a proxy, in which you can still access it if you're still using it on a school Chromebook. So what you want to do is just to access your browser from the school Chromebook, and then head directly to your search bar, and the website is going to be called easyfun.gg. Now, once you hit on enter, this is going to be the easyfun.gg's official website. Again, this is a proxy website in which you can still access it by using a school Chromebook. What you want to do from here is just head directly to the search box and just simply type in Roblox if it's not showing under this homepage right here. And you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you play Roblox on a school Chromebook.